In a world full of anarchists, communists, and criminals, one man stands to make a difference. The Second Amendment man. Handgun boy. We have to stop them.
Where's the money at? Where's the money?
I don't have any money.
Yeah, you have money.
No.
Where's his house? No, you have money.
Freeze, it's Second Amendment man.
Second Amendment for the win! What's up with you, bro? What's up with you? You got a wallet on you? You got a wallet? Huh? Huh? Huh?
So what are we doing now, handgun boy?
We're going to look at this. A world full of anarchists, communists, and criminals. One man. You're supposed to run out, Michael. You're supposed to run out.
Second Amendment for the win.
That's not it. We're not gonna put that part in because we're gonna get outtakes.
What's up with you, bro? You got a wall on you? You got a wall? You got what? Answer me! Where'd you going?